Welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a customized 5 seconds videos with Canva. So as you can see, here is my page. So I'll go over to my design and click on these are my design, but it's a plain page. So make sure it's a plain page. Alright, so there's nothing on this page. So I'm just going to go over to my camera roll. So I'll look for one image, I'll click on this image and I'll add. Alright, so I click from this, I'll drag it from this corner because I want to put in this image. Right, so this is the image. Right, so when I click on the image, options will come outside. All these are many options, but we just need to pick this image tools. I'll click on image tools. Now click on this image video. All right, now if you want to create generate 5 seconds video, now if I click on generate, it's going to automatically generate this video according to what the image is all about. All right, so but this time around we want to customize. If I come to customize, that means we are going to be the one to tell Canva what to do with the image. All right, so if you come to start, this one is Canva will by itself make use of this image. If I should generate this kind of image, Canva will look at the image, will look at what this image stands for. So this kind of a beauty model is going to be a beautiful kind of stuff that it's going to do, maybe like modeling or something for 5 seconds, because that's what the image entails. All right, so Canva is going to be doing that for us. But now I'm going to go to customize, and I'm going to put in my prompt. So I will put in my prompt. Now I said I want this picture to clap her hands while smiling at the camera as like a standing ovation and throwing kisses. So you can understand what I said. So this is the short prompt that I gave to this particular. So this prompt, it doesn't have to be too long because you have 5 seconds. Okay, this 5 seconds video that Canva is going to create for you. Now this Canva is going to make use of this prompt and use it to generate a video from this particular image. So I'll click on generate. All right, so Canva is going to make use of the prompt that we send to it to generate this particular video. So in case you have a picture and you want to convert it to a video, all right, you want to convert your picture to a video, you just need to give Canva a prompt and it's going to help you to create it to a short video. Okay, so just wait for it to load. Now you can see. All right, this is what we said. We asked, the prompt said that you should clap his hand while smiling at the camera, then throw kisses. You can see the 3 things that we said on our prompt. It's the same thing. This is supposed to be an image, but you can see it's now a video. All right, so how do we download this? I'm going to click on add to design. Click on add to design. All right, to just wait for it to add up. Okay, now it has been added to our design. All right, you can play it. You can see that is a video. Now, if you want to save this particular video, you come over to this. You are seeing on the top here. Click on it. You can go to download. Click on download, and then you can then decide to reduce the quality. You can increase the quality. All right, you can take it to the highest. Okay, this will make the video size to be very big. You can reduce it a little bit depending on how you want to reduce it. All right, now you can see it's going to save in MP4. That's suggested. You have other options, but it's going to MP4 because what you are doing is video. So I'll click on download. So as you can see, it's going to download our image. And to download and save, you can see it's 3.4 MB and it's currently downloading. All right, so this is how you create image from this is how you create video from your image using Canva. All right, so make sure you check my next class. There are other things I need to teach you guys. So I will see you in my